since it is an oil, I'm sure we all know tongue twister, we all know the oil consistency. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram. Today I have a review video of one of my absolutely favorite brands in the entire world of skincare world, which is KIEHL'S. I'm sure you guys must be bored of me speaking of KIEHL'S, but honestly this is the only products that I use from the brands. This is the only skincare brand that really get on with my skin, and don't worry, there are other brands that I really like, and which I'm gonna do also loads of review videos of the brands, but this is the number one for me at the moment, and there's nothing in this world. I like to change my routine basically from other brands on other products. So enough rambling. Today's video is a review video of a product, and it is the Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. Now, this cleansing oil, I'm sure, has been out for quite a while now, and it is from the Midnight Recovery range. Now, the Midnight Recovery range, I'm sure that KIEHL'S is known by its Midnight Recovery Concentrate, which I also have, and honestly I have a tiny bit left. Now it is literally finishing off, but I really like this product. Now I have made a review video of this product as well. I'm gonna link it here below, but this replenishing elixir is phenomenal. If you have very red skin, very like dry, rashed red skin, check this one out. I'm sure you will love it. So from the same range they brought out a cleansing oil. Now some of us, majority of us, use makeup, wear makeup, so the cleansing oil is great by removing the makeup, and also you can use the specific product as a daily wash if you like, or as an evening wash. So it's very versatile, so you don't have to use this as a makeup remover basically, because the word cleansing oil, I thought that you have to use it as a makeup remover, which you can use as well, but you can use it as well as in the day and the night time. The cleansing oil is the KIEHL'S first lightweight oil cleanser. Now this is the only cleanser that they do as an oil based, so it's very different than the other cleanser that KIEHL'S has to offer. Let's go through the ingredients of this KIEHL'S cleanser. Now the first ingredient it has is an evening primrose. Now the evening primrose oil is a botanical oil, so this helps for the skin barrier and also gives the skin nice boost radiance. And then another special ingredient which is also known in the Midnight Recovery Concentrate is lavender oil. Now lavender oil is one of those ingredients that you will smell in here, and the lavender oil is amazing. It has so many benefits for the skin cell. Lavender oil helps to soothe inflamed and irritated skin, and it creates a more brighter and more hydrated skin as well. And the last main ingredient which be in here is also a very popular ingredient in KIEHL'S products is the squalane. Now squalane is again another botanical ingredient known for the specific moisture and specific nutrients it has to give the skin cells and the skin barrier as well. It helps to keep the skin natural moisture and gives the skin an overall nice radiant, subtle and soft look. So the way I use it, I'm gonna quickly go through it, and also I'm going to quickly read what it says back in here. So it says dispense 3 to 4 pumps into dry or wet hands and massage into dry skin including eye area. Add water and massage skin to emulsify, rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry with soft towel. So the way I use this one as a makeup remover is I take a few pumps, put it on my hand and I rub it onto my face. Now I don't use water at that time, so I'm gonna use this product only with my wet hands, so I'm just gonna use it and it gets nice and foamy. Now once this product gets with water, it becomes a cleansing kind of milk. That's one of the main speciality, the main unique thing about this product is it becomes a cleansing milk basically once it contacts with water. So I'm just rubbing it nice and gently onto my skin until everything of the makeup comes off. If I like to use it as a daytime or as evening cleanser, I just take one pump, put it on my face and just rub it, and again it gets more like a foamy, more like a cleansing milk. So once it's all the cleansing milk, once I think my skin is nice and clean, I just rinse it off with warm water and pat dry with the towel as a set. It does really remove all the makeup that you have on your face. Also if you have eye makeup, just put it on a cotton pad, leave it for a few seconds and just put it in there and then wipe it off and the whole of your eye makeup is gone. So it is a very versatile product for using as a cleanser, as a daytime cleanser, as well as a makeup remover. Overall, my skin feels nice and soft and nice and hydrated because as the lavender oil it has and its squalene ingredient, it keeps the skin's moisture and makes it nice and subtle, and it does the job what it says in the packaging as well. So speaking of the packaging is nice and clean, as it has the same color as the Midnight Recovery Concentrate, this nice kind of bluish, purplish tone. It has a pump. The pump is the lifesaver. Now, making things in pump makes it so easy to use the product. It's very convenient because your hands are sometimes are wet and you don't want to open something. So having a pump makes it very easy to have it on your bathroom shelf. And the packaging has this typical kind of KIEHL'S fonts and logos. So it says KIEHL'S, what it says for all skin types, the ingredients and the directions, as all the other products from KIEHL'S it has. So very nice, and it looks amazing on the vanity shelf on your bathroom or on your bathroom shelves because the colors looks amazingly, and I love decorating my bathroom with these kind of products. This texture, you have to be a little bit more careful because the texture is very liquidy, so you have to work a little bit fast since it is an oil. I'm sure we all know tongue twister. We all know the oil consistency, so it's very liquidy. You have to work very fast. Once you put it on your fingers, quickly go on your skin and rub it in because everything will fall off since it is a liquid consistency, a liquid formula. Another beneficial thing about this product is since it has the kind of ingredients that is great for the skin and it kind of replenishes the skin ready for the nighttime. So if you use it as a nighttime, it's great because it replenishes your skin since it has amazing ingredients. So I've been using this as sometimes as my evening cleanser. Once I've used this, I go to the Midnight Recovery Concentrate to literally lock the skin and give the skin a final boost of hydrations and a final like kind of barrier basically, because the lavender oil as well as in the concentrate makes skin nice and soothe and calms my skin. It comes in two sizes. Now the one that I have is the 175 ml, which is 5.9 fluid ounces, and it also comes in a smaller size which is 85 ml. So the one that I have is for 32 pounds and the smaller size is for 16 pounds. So I suggest to go for the bigger size with the pump. I think the small one doesn't come with a pump if I'm not wrong, according to the pictures website, but I would definitely suggest you go and get the bigger size because the bigger size is better for money and it will last you for a very long time as well. You will find this KIEHL'S product in all of the retailers that they have to offer, so in Harrods, Selfridges, John Lewis, as well as beauty retailers called Beauty, Feel Unique, Look Fantastic. So I'm gonna leave all the links down below for you guys to go and check it out, as well as you'll find it in the official KIEHL'S website, as well as on the KIEHL'S boutiques dotted across the world. So go and check this out. I'm sure you will love this. So this was the review video of the KIEHL'S Botanical Cleansing Oil. Do let me know if you have this product in the past, and do let me know how you get along with this, and also do let me know if there are any other kind of oil cleansers that I like to go and check them out. I hope you guys all liked this video and enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you in the next one.